In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your HostGator email with your Gmail account, making all your emails accessible from one convenient place. Whether you're managing multiple email addresses for your business or personal use, this method will help streamline your communication. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and navigate to Gmail. Once you're logged in, keep your eyes peeled at the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is your entry point to customization heaven, so go ahead and give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select See All Settings. Now, with all these options at your fingertips, head over to the Accounts and Import tab. Here, something exciting awaits, the ability to check mail from other accounts. You'll notice the option Add a Mail Account. Click on it to begin incorporating your HostGator email. Type in your HostGator email address and click Next. When you're prompted, select Import Emails from my other account, POP3. Though it might sound technical, POP3 simply refers to a protocol used by email clients to retrieve messages from a server. Once you've made your selection, click Next to move forward. Now it's time to input your HostGator mail server details. Typically, this will look like mail.yourdomain.com. Make sure to enter this information accurately along with the port number, which is generally 110. Don't forget your HostGator username and password. These are essential to grant Gmail access to retrieve your mails. As you proceed, you'll be offered some choices to customize how these emails are handled. Decide if you want to leave a copy of the email on the server. This choice can come in handy if you access your emails from multiple clients. There's also an option to label your incoming messages, making organization a breeze, or use SSL for an added layer of security. Once you've made your selections, hit the Add Account button. If you're interested, Gmail can also be configured to send emails as your HostGator address for a seamless appearance to recipients. Choose this option if it suits your needs and follow the prompts for setup and verification. This usually involves sending a verification code, which you will receive in your HostGator email, and entering it back into Gmail to confirm everything is set up correctly. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated your HostGator email into Gmail, allowing you to manage all your communications from one platform effortlessly. With this setup, you'll be able to access, send, and receive emails without switching between accounts. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newfound email efficiency.